Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remove a Ram 3500 front bumper. First, gather your essential tools, including a socket set, various wrenches, and a pry bar. Always ensure your truck is on a level, stable surface and properly secured. It is also highly recommended to have a second person available to help manage the bumper's weight, making the process much safer and easier for everyone involved. Next, carefully locate and unplug all electrical connectors for your fog lights, parking sensors, and any other integrated components. There are typically 4 to 6 main bolts securing the bumper to the truck's frame, often requiring a 19mm or 21mm socket. Also, look for any smaller clips or plastic fasteners that need to be detached. Remember to keep all removed hardware organized for easy reinstallation. Now, focus on the main bumper support brackets, which are usually bolted directly to the chassis. These often require a larger socket, perhaps 24mm. There might be additional smaller brackets or splash guards that also need to be unbolted or unclipped. If any bolts are stubborn or rusted, apply a penetrating oil and allow it to soak for a few minutes. Double-check that every single connection is completely free. Finally, with your helper, carefully and slowly pull the entire bumper assembly straight away from the vehicle. It is crucial to lift and guide it evenly to avoid scratching the paint or damaging any remaining components. Once removed, store the bumper in a safe place where it will not be damaged. Take this opportunity to inspect the frame for any hidden rust or wear. Reinstallation simply reverses these steps.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.